got all these stickers that need rounding ready to put away. This is a huge sticker restock, and we've got the brand new stickers just arrived, so we'll have to do an unboxing. Look at this stack of stickers. What the heck? I need to arrange these and put them all away. Oh no, I dropped some. Whoa. Yeah, this was a bad idea. Oh, I don't want to mess it up. That's so precariously balanced. Oh my goodness. Anyway, hello guys, welcome to another studio vlog. Excuse how crazy I look today. I have just freshly had my eyebrows done, so they are going to look very black because they've just been freshly dyed. Today I'm super excited because we have got a new desk from FlexiSpot, but more on that later on, which I'm really excited about because if you watched last week's vlog you will have seen that we were making stickers and we did a whole load of sticker packs for the new product launch. But I really wanted to get a standing desk. I've got a few different standing desks around the studio and at home, and I absolutely love them, and it would be really handy to have it like standing as I'm doing my stickers. I also need to put all these stickers away because this is the back end of the shop update that I'm working on, and I am in kind of a time crunch, and what I need to do today is I actually need to design the enamel pin backing cards, or tomorrow maybe, and also I still don't know whether I'm going to do greeting cards or whether it's going to be too late or not. But we do have quite a few other greeting cards that are our old square ones, and if I'm being totally honest, they don't sell the greatest, but they do kind of sell, like, they're like slow burners. So it's like these square ones, and we have quite a few. We have like 2 baskets of these, so I'm not actually sure whether it's worth investing in greeting cards. I'd love your opinion. Do you guys buy greeting cards online, or do you just go to a shop, or what do you guys do? But I don't know whether it's just because those designs are rubbish or not. I'm not sure, because I think they're really cute. And we're also still having a little bit of a nightmare of international shipping. We are still shipping internationally, but we use a different courier at the minute. So I might skip the greeting cards, especially for Valentine's Day this year. First of all, I need to arrange all these stickers and put them away in the corresponding like little basket things over here. Because we have so many sticker designs, we keep them in these baskets, and this is the best way I've found for me to store them. There's another basket that goes here and here, but Dean's currently using them because he's checking the SKUs and everything. And I have these little index tabs that I use, which are mine, which are over here. You can buy them in my store. These plant pots are the most popular, and I need to restock a few other ones. These are all index tabs here that we sell. But as you can see, we write our SKUs on the top, and we normally put it here as well, and we list them in our Etsy store, and it keeps us so when people buy things, we work off the SKUs, which, if anyone doesn't know what SKUs means, it basically means stock keeping unit. These are the 2 index tabs that we have just restocked. So these seem to be really popular. It's little strawberries, a bear. It's kind of like a mixed pack with clouds, carrots, grass, and then we have this bear one, which is all bears. I kind of just use a mix of all of them because they're all pastel colours, so they all work really well together. Anyway, now I think I'm going to have my dinner, and then we're going to get to work on putting those stickers away and get them all organised, and then sort the studio out and put up our new desk, which I'm so excited about. Oh, and a new chair. I forgot about that. I've got a new chair too. kidding, these stickers are my stickers from like a Bumble but waterproof like A5 planner sticker collection, and they've been on this mug for like over, must be 2 years now, like spring I think 2020, and they're still going strong, and I've washed them and everything. I haven't put it in the dishwasher, but I've washed it and like used it, and they're still going strong. Like you can still see like all the images and everything. Anyway, we need to put that desk up and the chair, which I'm really excited about because I don't know if you guys have seen my last vlogs, but I have been struggling with like my neck and my back. I always use this Flexi Sport desk that I'm actually using right now because I've worked with Flexi Sport quite a few times, and honestly guys, I love their desk. So a huge thank you to Flexi Sport for sponsoring this video and supplying us with some more amazing desks. Dean's just unboxed the new desk. We've got a wood one. I can't decide because look how pretty this wood one is. It's such a nice quality, honestly. These desks are so good and last the test of time. It's the next day, by the way. I do love white desks, but there's something about wooden desks that are like super aesthetic and pretty. And I'm thinking for like my reels and stuff, if I want to do like cozy reels, it would be nice to have the wood desk over here and I could do like unboxings and stuff. And then this one also matches all them. Maybe we can put it up and see what I feel like. Also, I've got this monitor stand that I actually got second hand off the lady who used to own this room. And I think that will go better like when it's all wood, and it'll all blend in. It'll look really cozy, and I think it'll look nice with like a candle and stuff over here. Also, I finally put a little plant in my little hand painted Totoro vase. How cute. I'm excited to put my desk all together. Alright, how should we do it? I want to be careful so I don't damage it. Ooh, oh yeah, that's a better way of doing it, is it? Or should we flip it like that?
That's what we're doing.
Oh. Oh, these desks are really heavy.
Sure we do.
I don't think so. Oh, is it as well?
Hey, you said there's a door.
Oh my god, there's a drawer! I didn't even know that!
You did know that, because you said there's a drawer in it.
Oh, I did know that! That's so cool! I can put all my planners. Alright, I'm definitely having this desk because I'll put all my planners in here, like that I use. Oh my god, that is so cool! There's a drawer in the desk. Oh, we should have lowered this to the right height so we could just slide it actually. Whoa! Oh. Ah, I should put pretty paper in here, like line it all pretty. But I can finally have somewhere to put my stickers. Ta-da! Because I used to just be out making loads of annoying things. Yay! I want to sit on it. It looks so comfy. Oh, it's so comfy. Oh, it's like memory foam on the bottom. Whoa, so snazzy. I'm a CEO. Ah, smash my door. Oh my gosh, I've just found out the chair. I can do this. Oh, how comfy. This is so good. This is the comfiest chair ever. I feel like the base is like memory foam, and look how cool the back is. Anyway, hello guys, welcome to another day. I had some meetings yesterday, so I actually left work and didn't manage to show you guys my new desk setup. I really like it because I feel like this wooden worktop is going to be really good for a diversity of product photography. It's also slightly smaller than the other Flexi Sport desk we've got, and this drawer is the best thing ever. This is like the main feature that I absolutely love. Also the fact that it has USBs on as well, and obviously it can go up and down to standing or lower or whatever you want. This is what it looks like. So I've got my little coaster over here, and as you can see, the wood just adds a totally different look. Cute. And then this is the big drawer, which is so handy. So I'm keeping all the active loose stickers that I'm using in this drawer, and I keep these here because I just like the way the colours look. Like, these are my planners. I love this. I think I'm going to put like cables in here and stuff as well. Just super handy. And I can also put like my iPad in here when I'm not using it. Yeah, what do you guys think? It looks really pretty, doesn't it? And this is what the chair looks like. It's super cool. Everything FlexiSpot does is honestly such good quality. Look at this. This is a lumbar support at the back. It looks so cool. We also do a pastel blue one of these chairs, but unfortunately they were sold out at the time of me placing my order. So if you like pastel blue colours as well, they do that. Anyway, a huge thank you to FlexiSpot for sending that over and collabing on this video. I honestly love their desks. We've got 4 now. So if you're wanting to renovate for spring and you're thinking of upgrading to a good quality standing desk, definitely check them out because they're actually hosting a 33% off winter sale at the moment throughout February. I'll leave all the link in the description of this chair and the desk that I used. But yeah, really happy with my new desk setup. Yay. Anyway, today we've got quite a lot to do. I finished work about 6 PM yesterday and I got my new nails done for Valentine's Day. How cute are they with little hearts on them? I actually designed this on Procreate, so I got my Procreate out and I actually designed the nails that I wanted because I'm going to be doing product photography today. But I did this little illustration, really basic, and he did it perfectly. Look at that, it actually looks exactly the same as my illustration. It would just look really cute when I'm holding the enamel pins and products. But speaking of enamel pins, I still haven't designed the backing cards for the new enamel pins. That is the priority right now. I like to do a backing card to match the enamel pin, and I've decided I want to do a theme for it. So we've got Luna and Sprinkle and we've got Pudding Cupid, so I want to draw a background for it. So let's get our Procreate out and design those backing cards, do a test print, and I might actually use those test prints as product photography because no one's going to know it's not the official backing card, if that makes sense, on the photo. Let's get to work, shall we? Let's have a look what these look like and put them on the backing card. I think I can already tell that I'm gonna like the Pudding Valentine's one because the colours all work nicely together. Oh look! Oh, since I've adopted the whole scene thing on my enamel pins on the 2nd generation, I have done scenes before on other things. I just think it elevates the story of the pin and the character. Oh, I love the pudding one, so that is a yes from me. So these are my 3 enamel pin backing card designs. I'm so happy with how they've turned out. The background just elevates the product so much. I love this pudding one, the colours are so pretty. And then we've got Bumblebutt and Luna and Sprinkle. Look how cute Luna and Sprinkle looks together. If you watched a vlog a couple of weeks ago, you'll notice that I forgot the arms off Luna, but I think as a pin set it actually works really well. Then we've got Bumblebutt. It's the only backing card that I'm going to change because I'm going to add, like I say, a little contrail behind him. So he looks like he's flying through the sky. Anyway, it's currently dinner time and it's Fika Friday, so we're actually going to nip outside and go to a cafe, I think, with Mike. And yeah, it looks like a really nice winter's day outside, nice and sunny. So break time, and then when we get back, we're going to get to work on some product photography, and I also really need to schedule some social media. When I'm taking product photography, I change the aspect ratio on my camera, so I'm actually using my old vlogging camera that I used to use, which is a Sony a6400. I'll leave all the links to my camera equipment in the description if you want to check it out, like the lenses and everything. And I changed my aspect ratio now to square, which is 1:1, and it just makes it easier. So if you can see, it is now square, so all my pictures will be square for the product photos, which just makes things a heck of a lot easier when it comes to editing, because I used to take them and then manually crop them down, but now I'm just taking all square photos, and it's really helped. You can also change the aspect ratio to 3:2, which is kind of like this, and do it this way, which is great for Instagram posts. So if you go into your camera settings, most cameras will have an aspect ratio setting. I'm going to cut some little hearts on some plain pieces of paper to use as kind of photo props. So I've just done an unboxing of the new stickers. I don't normally take photos on my stickers, if I'm being honest. I normally use the digital file because it's hard to get the colours right with my photos. I use custom camera settings, and it's hard to get the whites right and stuff, so I normally use a digital image for my actual stickers. I've got a little Studio Ghibli YouTube background on at the minute. You can find this on the HBO channel, but I've got Marshy, we've got Pudding Cupid, oh my goodness, and then we've got this Belief in Yourself, which is one of my favourite ones, and I thought this, I had in mind like an iPad or a planner. Then we've got all the new pudding stickers, so these are the new Valentine's ones. We've got I Love You, the Love Sticks ones, and then we've got a mix of everything, so this is a mix of everything. And then these ones are my favourite because I just love the colour palette so much. This is the Shoot for the Stars. Oh my gosh, and I've actually remembered Luna's arms on this one. But I wanted to show you something because we sold out of these heart mouse mats for ages in our shop, and we had quite a few people message about them, and they are so cute on the desk. Like seriously, I'm going to use these because I was actually thinking when I put up this wooden desk, I was like, Dean, where's the heart mouse mats, because that would work perfectly on my desk. Dean reminded me that we couldn't get the old shape anymore, but we found this new shape which is so much cute. It's more rounded and chubby. Oh, good morning guys. I tell you what, it blows your blinking breath away walking into the studio. Our studio is on the North Sea, like the studio by the sea, and it's like one giant aircon unit. It's freezing in the winter, especially when you hold a nice coffee. Anyway, good morning guys. Yesterday I ended up going home. I did my Patreon podcast, and then I launched all the products from home, and I can't believe it. You guys really seem to be loving the enamel pins, so thank you so much to everyone who placed the order. It's now live on my store by the time you're watching this. I am going to end this vlog here. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I'll see you all very freaking soon. Alright then, thanks so much for watching. I love you. Goodbye.